Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to make an event to be a private on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step that we are going to do is to edit, either to edit an event or we can just create a new one. To do so, you will need to go to this create button, you click on it, you will search for event. You click on event and here it will give you this pop-up window. You add the title to the event, like title, and then you will go and go to more option so we can change the visibility of this event. And basically you will find that it has the default visibility, and then you are going to make it private. And as you can see, this event will become private and its information won't be shown to other people. Then you will click save. And if you want to edit an event, you need to click on it, edit, and you will edit the visibility of the event. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.